Hey guys, welcome to Kanji Mnemonics channel. This is Kanji Kotoba combo video series where we learn kanji in conjugation with Japanese words kotoba that appear in news articles online. Whew, that was crazy, right? That thing gliding across the screen. But did you figure it out? Now it would seem easy given that I have frozen the background, right? And you can get the message despite the distraction. Something similar happens when I go through a Japanese news article. There are thousands of kanjis, so few and it is so distracting, and by the time I am done with one line, I am completely exhausted. But how about we target one kanji? We go through the news articles, but we track that particular kanji and we try to identify the combinations it make with other kanjis and the context that it forms, and by that way we can easily remember the un and kun readings, and this would be similar to acquiring knowledge and also practicing at the same time. So come join me in this adventure ride while we take down kanjis one at a time. And can you do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and do that bell icon thing so that you get updated when I upload a video in this channel, especially with this video series. Now let's get started. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu. Kun and un reading associated with this kanji. Some common words associated with the kun reading. Some more common words using the un reading of the kanji. Usage of the kun reading in an online article. Mochikaeri dekimasu. Dekimasu means ability. Can I? Kairi is returning back, and this is quite often used in a restaurant setting. The kanjis are written in red for clarity. Shiji means support. When compounded with ritsu, shiji ritsu, it becomes approval rating. Itte no shiji ritsu. In the same article, ijishimasu means to maintain. Kimochi yosaso, kimochi feeling, yosaso good. In the same article, we come across iji, and in this context, it means to maintain health. Okane mochi, it's a JLPT N5 vocabulary. In the same article, motte iru jin mo iru. They are talking about something, right? In this context, it means motte iru jin, people who have that thing. Mo iru also exist. Almost all the kanjis in one screen for your reference. If you like this content, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for your time and patience.